Republic Act 9510 is to establish a credit information system not for the benefit of co-ops, but for the benefit of big banks, developers, and others, so that co-ops will not really benefit. In fact, as I see, co-ops will be prejudice injured because the information that the co-ops will give about the good borrowers, this will be known to the banks and other finance, and this can be pirated because co-ops, the interests of co-ops generally are higher than the banks. What will prevent the banks from approaching our good members and say, oh, you are paying 2% to CFI. Ours is only 7%. We will redeem your loan from CFI and you borrow from us. That is really, this is big business. The people behind this, establishing a credit information system, what will it co benefit from this? Nothing.
So, dun po sa pag-receive, pagbigay sa amin dito, wala pong bayad, ano? Pero dun sa pagkukunin nyo na yung credit report, may bayad. May mga nagsasabi po na, naintindihan ko naman po na may mga nagsasabi na, bakit ganon? Pag binigay namin, libre, tapos kukunin namin, may bayad na kami. Tandaan po natin, ano, yung kinukuha po natin data, hindi lang po yung data na binigay natin, pero lahat po ng data na nung iba pang nagpapautang na nag-submit sa sales. So po, hindi lang po yung cooperative ninyo, yung iba pang exposure doon sa iba pang cooperative, sa mga bangko, sa GOCs, may GSI, sa SSS, kung meron siyang exposure doon, makikita niyo yun. So, hindi lang po yung sa inyo. Kung sinasabi niyo na, bakit gano'n, may bayad kami, pagkukunin namin, dito namin yun.
I just want to ask that
Ito nga po talagang ano...
That is misleading.
So you are
Because
mistaken.
under the law, this information submitted can be accessed. The accessing entity, special accessing entity.
I would like to ask Panira, very beautiful Panira, why did you say earlier that there is no need to ask the consent from the borrower? So, what is it that sir is saying that you are now requiring that the borrower will sign a waiver? Because making them sign a waiver is an indication that you yourself are doubting the constitutionality of the law. Why require a waiver if you think it is constitutional?
Your statement na walang cost. Meron po kaming cost. Actually, we have 21 branches. We have to buy computer units, sets, just for this, and hire people, at least 2 per branch. Just because. How many members do we have? 31,000 members. Scattered to Lower Luzon.
So malaking bagay yun, malaking bagay. So kung sabihin mo, walang bayad. If we access a data from, sabihin natin, yung ano namin, kapareha ng Davao City, 100,000 members din, yung Tagum. Gusto namin tingnan na mayroon pang may utang sa kanila. Kung 100,000 yun, kung 50 pesos yun, 5 million yun, you're talking about 5 million, you're talking about chicken here. You're talking about millions of pesos from the cooperative movement. Ilan lang yun sa mga bankable organization, maliit lang yung membership nila. May nagsabi nga doon, yung bangko okay yun because the funds of the bank belong to the public, but the funds of the cooperative belong to the members, not to the public.